Hello everybody. This afternoon it's a nice sunny day. It's above freezing right now, so it's actually t-shirt weather. So we cut these trees from in behind our property. There's some cedar, and we're going to continue our chainsaw milling operation. So these ones here are all they're just over 7 feet long, and I think the biggest one is just about 10 inches wide. So what we do is we have our homemade attachment to do the first cut. We got the mill on the CS-590, the Echo Timberwolf, and we have a ripping chain on it. So what our plan is to cut a whole bunch of cedar, because we went and priced the price of tongue and groove cedar, and it's astronomical right now as with the rest of the lumber. So we're going to make our own cedar for our sauna. Stay tuned. That cut pretty good. So after we're done here, we'll check back on the video to see how long that took, but maybe about 25 seconds or so.
I had one little mess up there. The first rail on the mill attachment went over. I haven't milled in over a year.
Yeah, so
it just dipped down a little bit.
that's okay. That's just trial and error here. So, but I mean, that those looks like it's gonna be a pretty nice board. So we'll now that we're done that first top cut, we can basically we'll just adjust the mill to the height that we want to do the thickness of the lumber, and we'll try doing the next piece. So
I was impressed.
590.
We were using a Husqvarna 353 before. That worked okay, but this, you can tell it's got a lot more power. I was able to push it through that pretty quick.
Yeah. So we're going to try the next piece. We might not try to push it through as quick and see if it's a lot easier. We did 2 edges on the board, and now we're sawing off to make a board. So I mean, we did that 3/4 of an inch thick. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to just saw down the edge here, and we'll do them all the same width, and that's going to be your siding for inside the sauna. So we had a couple trial boards here that we just took off a smaller tree, but I mean, they seem to work out good so far, so we'll continue and see how we're doing. cut these up. I don't know how many we cut. Got quite a few so far. So, I mean, that took us probably, I don't know, maybe 45 minutes or so to do that. So, yeah, it's a little more time consuming, but it's probably cheaper in the long run. So, we'll continue our project here. I guess we need more wood.
Well, probably got 24 boards milled. We got the Echo Timberwolf, and we had got a still ripping chain from the dealer. And it seems to be doing a pretty good job. All of the teeth are just filed at a 10-degree angle. I'll have to see. They're coated with sawdust and oil. I'll have to see how sharp they are after cutting these boards. But it certainly went through that fairly easy. And yeah, I think it did a good job. Alright, well that just about wraps up the video. As you can see, the saw is just coated in cedar dust and got a big mess here. The air filter had a fair bit of sawdust packed in there. Probably didn't help. We had the saw sitting in a pile of sawdust. You could see it, I was sucking it in, it was blowing it out the other side. But the saw has definitely got enough power for sawmilling boards of that size. You could do up to 13.5 inches of cut with a 20-inch bar here. Gotta get this all cleaned up. Alright, well, thanks for watching.